First question is arthritis. This is chronic acidosis. Okay, this essentially means basically that your endocrine glands, your parathyroid gland especially, is not working properly because that's the gland that makes use of calcium. And more importantly, though, your bodies are so acidic that it's stripping calcium from tissue, but it's not being replaced. Also, could set up an autoimmune response as well because your lymphatic system is key when it comes to such problems. So, if I wanted to fix this, I would jump on a grape only diet, my favorite, for a good 30 days to start, and I would use at least two different kidney tinctures, a kidney tea, an adrenal gland formula, a bowel strength tincture, endocrine tincture, and give it time. And use parathyroid herbs as well to strengthen the parathyroid. Also add in green drinks. This means cucumber, celery, any kind of dark green veggies, juice it and drink it. And this will help you. You will see you get relief from your pain, and you get better as you go along, okay? For the area, to get relief from the area, use castor oil packs. That means applying castor oil. Use this castor oil here. It has cayenne pepper, wintergreen, and peppermint in there, and which is fantastic for fighting the inflammation. It has this kind of cooling off and yet heating effect on the area, which pushes blood flow to the area and gives you relief. So use that with a hot water bottle on the area, and you see that you'll get better as you go along, okay?